our vlog! And we're here sa tindahan ni Juana! So guys, let's check out the restaurant! Let's go! Hindi siya nakakaumay. I love sweet. So guys, for the next food, we're going to where? Let's go. And they are selling. See how? For only 50 pesos. But since I am good in food, they are selling this for only 50 pesos. Yay! Thank you. Offering some coffee jelly as a refreshment. What is it? It is pastillas that has mallow inside. Ah, pasimalo. Yes, these are their freebies. So guys, here's the Okoy of Pinoy! As you can see, it's 2 pieces. Wow, it's let us pour the Go, let's taste test. What is that? Oh my god, it has beef inside! What is this? I think it's beef. Yeah. For its price, I consider it as a cheap one. Yeah. Because it's cheap, but healthy. Because it has meat. Yeah, go. And beef is so, mahal na yun. Let's taste it. Hindi ba magpapayari kami na? Good! It's good. Like even the sauce, even the vinegar, it complements everything. We are going to potato yaki. Let's go. So guys, this is next destination. Our next destination is potato yaki. It's the product of potato. As as we can see, they use mozzarella and spinach. We're going to taste test the takoyaki of Takoyaki. Let's go. Sir.
Labol, alam.
Oh, it's good But for only 45 pesos, we have 4 pieces of takoyaki, but it's good in cheaper price. Go! Thank you for watching our vlogs. This is J-Mark and Ethan. And this is Tindahan ni Wow!